Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're talking shower heads, and in the event that you've got a big fancy shower head in your bathroom and want to remove it, we're going to show you the step-by-step process on how to do it. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, there it is, the fancy looking shower head, a little different than your standard normal shower head, and we found something we like more. So what we're going to do is go grab the step ladder and remove this. Step ladder now in position. Be very careful when you're on the step ladder. Last thing you want to do is fall and hurt yourself during the project. Prior to climbing the ladder, go ahead and verify that your shower handle is in the full off and closed position. Here we are now, and you'll notice a little adjustment ring on the very backhand side. You'll see tighten nut with an arrow. So what we're going to do is carefully turn this the opposite direction, and I may need both hands to loosen it. So I set the camera down and I have loosened this little wing nut, and all I'm going to do, and as I loosen it even more, a little bit of water is going to leak out, and the weight of this shower head is going to put pressure. So I'm going to set the camera down and continue letting the water drain out. All right, DIYers, I changed camera angles, and again, I'm just going to carefully loosen the securing nut here and slowly pull this portion off. You'll see that's what it looks like inside. It's leaking a little bit of water. That is normal. Next, what I'll do, you'll notice this plastic ball right here. Carefully unscrew this plastic ball from the thread, and a little bit more water will pour out, and that's what it looks like. Out of the bathroom now, and again, this is what the fancy shower head looks like. This is the internal part, has a rubber gasket to create that watertight seal when you turn the handle off, and this is the wing nut that secures this in place on the upper plumbing. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Hey, hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. One last thing, here is what we are going to install next. In the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to install this Delta 5 spray shower head, definitely check out the link scrolling above.